Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. If you are enjoying the daily crypto updates, make sure that you press the like button and, of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. There's a face reveal coming at 150,000 subs. Having said that, my question of today is, are you guys still bullish on XRP? Put yes or no in the comment section down below. And I wanted to record and upload this video a little bit earlier, but I've been stuck. Yes, guys, I've been stuck because over on Bybit, there's now some new freaking pairs. You have AVA, Sushi, XEM, and freaking XRP. Yes! So basically what has happened is there is coin margined and there is USDT perpetual, USDT margined. This basically means if you are trading XRP here, you're making profit in XRP. But the problem is also that you can only do this by depositing XRP. What they also got now though is that I can, for example, put open a Bitcoin position and an XRP position and a DOT position, all of them with USDT, which just makes your life a lot easier sometimes. And I love this, I love this, I love this. I was also waiting for an AVA pair, so this is really amazing to me. And I'm seeing there's also a bonus. I didn't actually know about that. Let me quickly see it out. $1,000 bonus fun rush. So today, to the 21st, users who sign up for the 7-day challenge and trade any USD perpetual contracts can win up to $1,000 by reaching simple trading milestones. So this is so freaking easy, by the way. All you have to do is just use the link down below, sign up, and join the 7-day thing. It's like right over here, right? It costs nothing. Now, 75.4 million XRP moved by Ripple and Binance, with Ripple's regular tranche to Huobi. Now, I actually have talked to you guys before about the exact situation here, and I keep telling y'all, I don't think this is necessarily something you should really worry about or be happy about or anything like that. It's the usual. It happens all the time, and it also almost always happens in the same kind of fashion. Fintech Decacorn Ripple has moved a whopping 75.5 million XRP tokens, along with Binance and one more leading crypto exchange. Now, scrolling through here, you'll quickly find Ripple moves $106 million, and that I find daunting, because 106, if I see 75 million XRP, it feels to me like, okay, that's $20 million, right? Because I'm used to XRP being a fraction of a cent. Right now, though, it being 106 million, and at one point it being freaking $250 million or so at one point in the past. That's sometimes really mind-boggling to me. Now, Whale Alert has noticed a chunk of large transactions, around a dozen, in which 75.5 million XP was transacted by Ripple Labs, Binance, Kraken, and other smaller crypto exchanges. Ripple has made its daily transfer to the largest Chinese crypto exchange, Huobi, of 5.5 million XRP. This is the amount the crypto heavyweight will be sending to Huobi every day this week. And they're most likely doing that for liquidity purposes, and it is a good thing. Then, last week, the daily amount of XRP moved from Ripple to Huobi totaled 7 million, according to the blockchain analytics company BitRue, and now it's lowered down a little bit to about 5.4. Supporting XRP liquidity in China, Ripple usually provides crypto exchanges with XRP to support the coin's liquidity on global markets, and its regular XRP tranches to the leading Chinese exchange suggest that the DLT giant may be ensuring XRP liquidity over in China. And that might be branching out as well. It could be that Huobi is actually again the provider for different exchanges over there. We don't really know, but it's pretty freaking bullish, right? It's pretty freaking nice. And in the end, Ripple sending money everywhere is not a bad thing. People keep telling that, saying, oh, it's so bad Ripple is sending money around. No, it is not. In the end, things like that are used for XRP ecosystem building. So it's all a pretty damn good thing. Unless you're seeing a huge sale from one person, yeah, then theoretically speaking, there's nothing wrong. If Ripple is sending money over, it is usually for XRP. And if a big whale is selling it, you don't really know that they're selling it though. That's the difficult part. How do you know somebody is selling some amount of coins? You can't. You can only see that if you go to an exchange and look at the logs. For example, if you're in a trade right here, you'll definitely just find an order book and there you can find it. Otherwise, how? Now, straight up XRP just emptied my wife's bank account to buy the XP dip. She'll see it tomorrow. Wish me luck. And I found that pretty funny. I found that pretty funny. In the end, he made a lot of money, so hopefully the girlfriend is going to thank him, or wife, I mean. But damn, that is a, I hope it's a joke. I definitely can't recommend anybody do something like that. It's pretty heavy. Then again, it did get my attention, and I did find it pretty funny, though, not going to lie. Then Cowen Bank, or Cohen, will hold crypto for institutions, will put $25 million into Ripple CTO company, and we all know what that is, everybody. We all know what that is. We all know what that is. We all know what that is. We are talking PolySign. Yes, this is a really interesting one. Bloomberg has reported that century-old respectable investment bank Cowen Inc. has announced that it will provide crypto custody services of institutional grade for hedge funds and asset management companies, helping them store digital assets like currencies like Bitcoin. Besides, the bank will invest $25 million in PolySign Inc., a company co-founded by Ripple CTO David Schwartz. Now, a century-old investment bank Cowen will start holding crypto for hedge fund and asset managers. Cowen to provide crypto custody for, again, just anybody who wants it really. And we're not exactly sure why, but we're assuming that they know what's coming up. The company is making products that enable financial institutions to deal with crypto assets. The $25 million provided by the bank is just half of the total amount of funds raised recently, $53 million. The list of investors includes blockchain.com and Raise Capital. And I'm really looking, right? If you guys know a way that we as individuals can invest into something like this, hit a boy up, because I would definitely be interested. This looks like a huge freaking company. PolySign is an early-stage fintech company established by Arturo Brito, who's actually also co-founder of the XP Ledger, and David Schwartz. Our mission is to drive global use of digital assets by building mission-critical infrastructure that enables institutions to secure and transact in digital assets across the capital markets and payment sectors. Could be some huge things coming for that one, and we don't know, because they're keeping it pretty secret. Okay, so this article right here, I mostly had open because of a little part at the bottom here, which actually refers to XRP as the least damaging, using only 0.0079 of a kilowatt hour per transaction. Little fun fact, I just had to edit because I'm in the hotel right now, and the delivery guy came 10 minutes early, so I had to rush downstairs, pick the food. It's freaking 2 bags for like $15, so that's pretty freaking cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look how I'm gonna edit this video now because I accidentally left it running. There we go. It's only that part that I wanted to say, all right? It's only the part that XRP in the end of things is quite a lot better than almost any other crypto that you can find in terms of energy consumption, specifically better than Bitcoin, and I think almost anybody knows it too. Then Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk agree on Bitcoin's green credentials, and I'm not sure if Elon Musk actually kind of, embraced Bitcoin first to then kind of harm it later with this announcement purely for the green part, because it could also be that was Elon Musk's whole niche, that he wanted to harm it first to then be able to kind of uplift the energy part of things. Maybe it's actually in the end to launch his own Tesla crypto. Maybe it's an energy coin. Who knows, right? But as it currently stands, it is really good for XRP that all these guys are coming together and making it about the renewable energy. Then again, there's one fun thing that I think is also happening, and that is that people are saying Bitcoin incentivizes renewable energy in a positive way. I would say this is kind of positive in the sense that, well, Bitcoin and the energy consumption are making it so that people have to look into renewable energy. But then again, the Bitcoin consumption and making renewable energy for it, even that is all not that nice, right? Because it is not necessary in the end of things. Don't get me wrong, I am not against Bitcoin, but I am against the huge consumptions of electricity for almost nothing. Then again, guys, I think it's pretty funny how there's so many articles being written every single day about the XRP price and how much hatred it gets, but it's all about the longer term. These types of articles are not for one day. They're not for 1 week. No, we're talking about where exactly XRP can go. And if you're asking me short term, all you have to focus about is the lawsuit and really not any fundamentals from this perspective, if we're talking short term, right? If we're talking long term though, where can we go? You all know it. $10 is still a pretty low bet in my opinion per XRP. And if we're talking ADA, for example, I think $4 is easily going to be hit. But we've already been saying that for XRP since 10 cents and lower. We've already been saying that for ADA at 2 cents and lower. And now we're finally getting to those prices. And now finally people are taking us seriously. We were saying Ethereum 5,000 a long time ago. People always laughed. Right now people are like, yeah, that's definitely going to happen. Then on the same note, even though Ethereum 5,000 is most likely going to happen, it is actually pretty terrible. And Gala Games has decided to accept payments in other altcoins for Gala Gamers founders nodes. You can now pay with XRP, Bitcoin, Doge, BNB, and more. Basically, things that are not Ethereum because Ethereum's fees are ridiculous and it's freaking stupid. If you want to do something like purchasing something, it's just not worth it almost ever. On the same note, once more guys, go check out Bybit. A link is down below. And let me quickly come back to the start here. Just empty my wife's bank account into buying XRP. I've been thinking about this statement a little bit now while I walked down to get my food, which by the way, smells freaking amazing. It is, I've got a lot of things. One of them is a sharing value meal with Lebanese chicken sandwich and some other stuff inside there. some pretty huge. I got a 75% discount. Maybe I'm gonna get food poisoning. But yeah, it smells amazing. While on my way down, I was thinking about this. Would I ever do something like that? Could I ever encourage something like that? And even though, kind of ask yourself the question, if you knew something was going to be popping off, would you tell others like, yo, buy into it? If you just kind of knew. But then again, it wasn't a certainty. I'm sometimes thinking maybe I should tell more people about XRP. Maybe I should tell more people about crypto in my real life. And then sometimes I'm thinking, nah, because what if it were to go wrong? I'd be the guy, right? Because a lot of people say, yeah, but they'll know it's their own risk, right? No, these guys don't forget that you put them on. I actually had this discussion a long time ago. I put somebody onto XRP and the price went from, pick something, maybe like 60 cents to 22. This guy was so mad. He sold his coins and he was mad at me because I told him. And he had different altcoins which did pump and XRP didn't. He was so angry. And from that point on forward, I'm never telling people again in my real life that XRP is a good crypto or anything about that. I just never talk about crypto to people in this realm because, well, what if they use the quote unquote advice, which again is not financial advice, it's just personal, and they lose money from it. I don't want to lose a friend because of that type of stuff. And I guess if it's your wife, you'll definitely be on the same level with this type of stuff. But then again, using somebody else's money to buy crypto is definitely not a smart thing to do. Then again, I do think it is also just a joke, right? And are we buying the dip? Oh, yes, we are, ladies and gentlemen. We are buying the dip like crazy. I am still happy to be an XP hodler. And I've, like I said previous episode, gotten rid of a lot of the hate comments. I've just put it in the past now. I'm just not going to read a lot of those things anymore. I'm going to try reply to even more just good comments. And every time people have questions, I'm going to try to reply as much as I can because I see all you guys' support. Every single one of you is amazing. You must know that. And we're all going to get this bread together. You all know it, right? And by the way, I'm not just holding one crypto. I'm not just holding XRP. I hold a ton of crypto. I even hold Bitcoin and Ethereum. But that's mostly because you got to diversify your bag. And in the end, you don't know which crypto is going to pump first. And if you have a priority of getting one crypto to the moon, you can always do some switcheroo. You can always switch over that crypto again later on. So for example, those coins like Shiba and stuff like that, I bought all of them. Why? Not because I know those were fundamentally good projects, but because I think, well, people are going to market layer that, whatever you want to call it there, just what do you call that? Support? No. Market it, basically, by telling other people to buy it and buy it and buy it. That could work out. And since I know that could work out, I just buy a couple $100 worth in total and just see. If I lose it, I lose it. If it works, I can transfer that money again to some actual coins that I think I like for the longer term. That's basically my plan. All right, boys. I'm going to enjoy my little, again, fun round menu dinner, ultimate chicken. Gonna be pretty funny. I'll let you guys know tomorrow how it was. And yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Take care and have a very nice day.